Hi my friends, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought you another video of unboxing and specification review about the ViewSonic Multimedia Projector. Its code name was PS502W. This is a short-drawn projector that used for short distance projecting and presentation works. As I had mentioned in my last video about the how to select a suitable projector screen, I have mentioned you I will be bringing you an special video about reviewing and unboxing of projectors when you are selecting how, and I am going to include on this video what you should be considering when you are going to buy a projector for your requirement. Right, this is how the projector came to our office, and I'm doing this video while I'm unboxing and checking the product that I had received from my supplier for my office. First of all, the boxes comes with like that way. It has a safety mechanism using from cardboard safety prevention, and this is the user manual and batteries for the remote and wires are being placed like that. On that video I have mentioned what are the concerns. If you want to see how to select a projector screen for your requirement, you go to my upper video on my playlist and you can follow that video to get some information, and you can upgrade your knowledge by watching that video. On that video I had mentioned that if you are going to take a projector for your office conference room, or you're doing outdoor presentations for lecturings and other things, you have to consider many more things before you're buying a projector. First of all, you have to consider that what you're going to do with this projector. Why would you going to buy? Is it especially for presentation, outdoor presentations works in such like high lighted area, like high bright areas, like in outdoor environments, or you are going to use it as a home cinema theater or for your rooms, or you can or sometime you can buy a projector to your conference halls on your office and homes and lecture rooms. When you're going to select a projector, you have to think about those things. Well, because the light limits and lumens level different from one projector to another projector. You can see this is a China made projector, made in China. It is called ViewSonic. On the market it can buy in some reliably cheaper price. This video was done in 2024. I'm unboxing this video. On this time on the market there are several type of projector technologies exist. First of all, I'm the LCD projectors was the first edition. Then the DLP projectors came to the market. Now the LED projectors are there. They are the technology and the output changes according to your requirements. So you can see this is the projector I have shown you. This is the front side. This is the lens cap cup with come this with as you mentioned, as I mentioned, shows you that these are the dimensions of the projector. It's called the length of the projector is about 309 millimeters and 216 millimeter width, and it has a depth of 175 millimeters, so like that. And also it comes with two multi HDMI ports, one VGA port inlet and two VGA port outlet, and two sound outputs also they are with 3.5 millimeter jacks. And I also mentioning that this is the front side. The black dot was on the left side is the remote sensor I am showing you. If you are going to buy a projector for your office rooms, it might be sometimes this is the focusing point, lens focusing joystick. You can rotate here and there, the focus will be changing. If you're going to buy a projector for your office, you have to consider the lighting levels of that office room, or you are buying it for conference room, you have to consider the lighting levels of the conference room. If the projector does not have required lumens output of this projector, the projector screen will not be shown in clear details. You can see this is the other ports it has. You can see two sound output and two one VGA cable, and this is the I have opened the lens. This is short from projector. You can use it from 4 feet away from the display. You can have a screen such as, I will going to show you the dimension of the projector and projector screen and the screen sizes available in next photo. And first of all, I'm going to test. These are the four that come in, and it's also you connect equipped with one 5 volt 1 ampere USB port that you can use it to connect Wi-Fi dongles, such as casting dongles that you can use in modern days. You can use those. HDMI port connected casting Wi-Fi dongles for this projector. And so I was telling you about that when you are selecting a projector, you have to think about the lighting levels. That this projector comes with 4000 lumens, and it is suitable for normally outdoor presentations, as well as not in a bright light condition, but it is in normal office conditions. This projector works suitably well and not there without disturbing your projector. This is suitable for multimedia presentations such as in lectures and other things. Also these projectors come, I'm going to start this one. This projector DLP LCD projector technologies comes with the technology of projecting the screen using light source. This light source is a halogen light source that equipped with inside this projector. It has a 4000 hour lifespan. If after the 4000 hours of working time, the quality of the projector screen will go down, will decay. These are the out VGA ports that you connect in the input, and you can use that to go VGA output to use another projector or projector screen, like a computer monitor or computer monitor, such as like you can use anywhere on this output VGA ports. One is female and the one is male. You can fix the VGA port like that. I was mentioning that the light source, about the lifetime of this. If you use this projector for 8 hours on one day, within 1 week you consider about 3 days of using. When you have then you have 8 hours for 3 days. It's mean you can think about 8 hours for 3 days means 24 hours. Of such a way you have 4 months for 1 month, 4 weeks for 1 month, and as such as 12 months for the 1 year. So it's gonna 1152 hours can be depreciated from your projector for 1 year. Can you consider the 4000? I had mentioned that only the lifetime of this light source is 4000. It is close to 4 years to 3 years. This projector can be used in such a way. I have mentioned that 8 hours of a day in a 3 week, in a week, 3 days with 8 hours of working time. You can use for 3 years maximally this projector without changing the light source. Such a way you have to analyze the time and time period of the project and you're going to use. I have mentioned that the light source will be decayed with the light. Refixing of light source will cost more than close to the same price of the project as a new price. So it is in the our markets, in day-to-day markets on these days. So when you're buying this projector screen, you have to be considering about that one. This is the user manual. I had mentioned that when your light source is about 4000 lumens in this one, I had mentioned that it is used suitable for projector presentations in lecture halls and such a way. If you can cover the whole room into a dark place, you can have a reasonably good output from this projector screen. You can use 3D cinemas. You can use this screen for views 3D cinemas in a beautiful way. I have experienced this. So short drawn means the size, the drawn distance of this projector. This is how the projector can be used. You can use this user manual to when you are starting the projector in first place. These are the charts about how the distance and how to start, how to connect the wires onto this projector. Also all things are mentioned in clear pictures on this user manual. You can follow the guideline to start your projector and to calibrate it as you require. According to my experience in my researches, when I be preparing specifications for my this projector requirement, I mainly consider about the times, lifetime of the light source and the brightness of the projector and the contrast ratio of the output of the projector. And on that way, this is as giving me a 4000 lumens and it is brighter to use in outdoor environment, such in the mid light level condition. And also you have to consider about this is the chart when the distance and the projector screen size, how to fix it in the projector fixing method. You can also fix this projector upside down in the roof side, and or you can fix set this one on a table and close range to the screen, and you can use. These are the main dimensions of the screens when you are using. If you place the projector 4 feet away from the projector screen, you can have a 100-inch display on your project screen as your screen. If you place the projector screen from 6 feet away from the projector, you can have 200 inches display for your output. And as you place the projector in 8 feet away from the projector screen, you can have a 300 inches large projector screen for your work. This is the first time when I am starting the projector. You can see the red light is the power indicator, and you now see green lights comes on and the projector goes start mode with a couple of seconds, and it is a fairly good speed of the they come to quickly gain the heat and produce the light output in a fast way. You can see this calendar. I was recording this video in 2024 on October month. It is my duty to assess the specifications of the product when I receive the product. You can see the display is upside down, and when I placing this one on the table. Now first we have to select the language as single, and now I was using the focusing lens to focus you first in the first locations. You can see you can use this front rear focusing port, or on the inside focusing switch. As well as that, the aspect ratio, the width and the depth ratio of the projector has to be considered. You know that the presentations comes in 1:1 ratio sometimes if you made the presentation on that way, or it is comes into 6:1 75 to 6 percentage, and is also there was a percentage for cinema that goes on 8 to 35 length into the width. You should have to see what are the aspect ratios of this when you are buying a projector to your requirement. You can see these are the menu mode, and you can go to the menu mode then, and you can select the uh, settings on your projector. First of all, these are the, can you see, these are the aspect ratios. I'm going to adjust this first. These are in the post on, you can see these three birds coming with colors, and it is indicator of the output of the projector. First I focus on to this one. I have to rotate this screen, and now I'm working on that rotation work. There you go. I'm going to get it into the there. The aspect ratio is there, and the English first. We have to select the language English. Right, we have changed. I have changed the direction to the other side. You can see the like that way. I have described this. These are some specifications. This the project has. These are the aspect ratios I called it. This was 16 by 10 and such a way. These are some of the specifications of this project. Its brightness is 4000 lumens, and contrast ratio is echo mode is for 15,000 to 1. Display color is 1.07 billion colors. You can see the lamp output land source voltage about 240,000 for 240 watts. Lens focus is so far 2.5 to 7.5 millimeters, and you can see throw ratio is 0.52. Optical for zoom is 1, and you can see keystone is you can rotate this projector screen from 19 to 90 degrees. Noise is, this projector is consists with 65 watt sound output in this one, and these are the specification. And I have another two unboxing projector unboxing videos into come, and I will describe more detail on these videos, and I think you have some gain of knowledge from the watching this video, and I thankful for being with me, and be stay and with me. I will take you more videos about unboxing of another two projectors in my incoming videos. Thank you. If you had any knowledge out of this video, please subscribe me. It will be helpful to me to give more video out for you all. Thank you for being with me. Thank you.